Look what happens when you put coffee in your hair. Awesome! Coffee is not just for drinking. It is also suitable for other things. As for example to put it in the hands and even in the hair. Take a look at this video, coffee for your hands, hand deodorant. Does your hands smell onion? Coffee can help get rid of it. Simply rub the base of used coffee in your hands, in the same way you rub it in the soap. Then rinse thoroughly. We really hope you find this article useful and do not forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you. Coffee for your hair. Keep in mind, light hair shades should refrain from coffee treatments as it has the ability to stain. So morenas and ravenettes only. Rinse mask. You can add fresh black or espresso coffee to a bottle of spritz, apply it to the hair and leave it in 30 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly to give the hair dark as the silky sheen. Caffeine can help increase circulation in the scalp and can help eliminate hairs. However, true hair loss cannot be cured with an injection of coffee. Coffee spritzes also add dimension to your hair color. You may need to use a shower cap while coffee does its magic on your locks to avoid tarnishing the furniture or your clothes. Scalp scrub. In addition to shiny, smooth hair, ground coffee can exfoliate and stimulate the scalp as well. It's super simple, just take a quart of coffee and mix it in the conditioner. Gently rub the scalp for a few minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Toning dark hair, you can soak your hair in the extra coffee for shades of deep, bright brown. Begin soaking it for just 15 minutes or so and rinse thoroughly. I asked 3